Babs Projects, and today I'm going to show you a very unique recipe. It's a pakoda recipe, and pakoda is actually nothing but fritters. But today I'm going to make a pakoda from Ajwain leaves. And if you come closer, I'll show you. This is the Cuban oregano plant that I have, and these leaves are very fragrant and very flavorful, and it tastes similar to, it is oregano leaves, but if I could compare it to Hindi or the Indian ingredient, then it tastes very similar to ajwain and ova. So I'm going to pick these leaves one by one, and then I'm going to make pakoda out of them. So I'm going to pick these medium sized leaves, which I think they are perfect size for a pakoda, and let me cut some of them. You can keep the stems if you want, a little bit, like you see here, a little bit of stem. As you can see, I have washed these leaves under running water, and I have allowed it to dry on a paper towel. These are all dry now, so I'm going to use them to make the pakoda. The first thing I'm going to do over here for the pakoda, which is really important, is to make a batter. And to make a batter, I'm going to use besan. Besan is actually chickpea flour, and most of the Indian pakodas, we use besan to make chickpea flour to make batter. And as you can see, I have kept this recipe very simple because I feel you don't need anything. The leaves have so much fragrance and aroma, flavor in them, that you don't need anything. So all I'm going to do is just add some salt, mix it a little bit with this chickpea flour, and slowly add water to make a batter. Add the water gradually. This flour has been sifted, so you can see it's very easy to mix. There are no lumps in it. Now this has become thick like a paste. I need it a little bit thinner, so I'm going to add some more water. So as you can see, my oil is heating in this pan, and I am going to deep fry now the pakodas. So the thing I have to do over here is take one leaf at a time, dip it in the batter, like so. You can hold it with the stem. And add it to the oil. I'm going to quickly fry this for a couple of seconds and then remove it. The leaf is not going to cook. But here is the secret. I'm going to cook this twice. I'm going to deep fry it twice. to get a nice crispy texture. Just a few more seconds, then I'll take it off oil and I'll add another batch. That's it, I'll take it off oil and I'll allow it to drain it on a paper towel. And in the meantime, I'll add another batch. So I have fried all the leaves now. I have made all the pakoda is ready. This has all been fried one time. Now I'm going to fry it the second time. The reason being, if you see, when you fry it the first time, it's not crispy and even the leaves inside is not fully cooked. So I have noticed that if I fry it second time, it becomes really crispy and the leaf cooks completely. So this is the first batch which I had cooked. So I'm going to add it into the oil again and cook it again for a couple more seconds. This time I'm going to allow it to become slightly brown. Let's see. I'm going to take it off. And again drain it on the paper towel. And now I'm going to finish the rest of the batch. So here it is, Ajwain leaf pakodas. You can see how simple the recipe is, and you saw that there was hardly any ingredients, only salt and water and besan. And it's super easy, super quick, and and you end up with a very fragrant, crispy, fragrant, and flavorful texture pakoda, which is completely unique and not available in restaurants anywhere. So I'm going to taste. I'm really tempted to taste one pakoda. So let me see. It's nice and crispy. Yeah, there it is. Perfect. You can see how crispy it is, and the leaf has cooked perfectly, and that's it. You need exact recipe. It's going to be on my blog, and I'm going to post the link of the blog below, so you can get the exact measurement of how much besan, chickpea flour to use, and all of those things. And if you like this recipe, then comment below or let me know. Like, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such fantastic, awesome recipes to you.